Meaning of eruption.
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 Eruption. The term eruption refers to the sudden and violent release of material, such as lava, ash, or gas, from a volcano or similar source. This process typically involves the explosive ejection of molten rock, ash, and other debris into the air, often creating towering plumes of smoke and steam. The resulting ash clouds can pose a significant hazard to aviation, while hot lava flows can cause widespread destruction of homes, buildings, and infrastructure in affected areas. In some cases, eruptions can trigger landslides, earthquakes, and other secondary effects that can have devastating consequences for nearby communities.